Hey guys, back on the 22-inch Murray 4 horsepower mower, the Briggs. This is very similar to a 3.5, if not the same. So there's not much difference except that's just 4 horsepower instead of 3.5. Oh well, can there. Cameras. Anyway, here's my dilemma. I'm gonna replace my kill wire from off of a junk mower, which I hope it's gonna work because that is rusty inside. Is what happened was with me trying to make this wire work, and it broke off so many times. They shortened it too much, so it's too short now. Now, I want to try to do this without taking the coil out, but I really don't want to mess with taking the coil off. See how it goes. We can get a pair of needle nose pliers. Hopefully I didn't lose it before I would replace it. Put them back in the door. Oh yeah, I did put them back in the door where they belong. I did find another wire in the trunk in the tool bag, but that one's not rusty like this one is. But unfortunately, I cut some off, and it ended up breaking. So I can kind of aim this so you can see more of what I'm doing instead of more of me. This is connected to the coil, so what I'm trying to do is without taking it, like I said, without taking it apart. I guess I probably could have took the hair clip off. I mean, I guess I got it out. If you do. That one's dirty, so. But like I said, I made this one way too short. Only shortened maybe by an inch. Should have took a picture on. Well, I kind of can't with the phone if I'm recording. So I guess I gotta run it underneath the coil. Watch, I'm gonna take the coil off, aren't I? See it on the other end. And so then I have to go find my business card that I used the last time I had the coil off. I got the wire through. Yeah, I had it in the wire through. There's a hole on the top of the lawnmower engine, and it was interfering with the don't know if you can see me moving that. I guess it was wrapped around like this. I guess I could have done it and moved it and had it come out like this, but I'm just gonna replace it. Hopefully if it doesn't work, then I guess we'll go that route. And now I'm wasting my time. Hoping this wire works, so we run it through the emissions tube. It goes underneath that. lose the pliers again, or the tool. Why is it wanting to go that way? Well, help me understand this. Why is it not going? Come on, get in there. I think it went through. Yep, it went through that time. What we'll do is we take our trusty needle nose, pull the wire through that. It's supposed to be 60 here today. I wonder what Derek from Vice Grip Garage is doing today. Probably not what I'm doing. I like watching him. Silly goose, and I guess I could be silly at times too. Act like people that I watch on YouTube and don't pull on it too hard. I guess I probably should get it plugged in. Wish this will get this pull wire out. Okay. I don't want to pull it too far through and then I should pull it in over that. It's supposed to go that way, not back. Get it in there, and then I guess use my faint hands to plug it in, I guess. Did it plug in? I don't know. I think it did. You know, it's on, but not on all the way. There we go. Okay, we got it in. You know, possibly can pull it the rest of the way through. Making sure to not hit the flywheel yet. Guess that's why that little clip is on the side above the muffler. I am a big fan of these bigger mufflers on here. Guess if you go from a 3.5 to a 4, you get the bigger muffler. You know what? I wonder if my dad's second lawnmower was a 4. It was a Murray, self-propelled. It had a Briggs very similar to this, and it had the big muffler on it. But I think, if I remember right, I think it had the cage on it. I'm gonna go put these back in the driver door car so that way I don't lose this. Go ahead and get the drill out, and I'll get more of the paint off the top. You know what? Yeah, put them away. If I need them again, I'll know where they're at. Putting the tool back in the car, I found that business card I was looking for, so I could have took it for. Now we'll get the drill out. Been using this thing almost every day this week, except Tuesday. This is what I use to clean my spark plugs with. Then I get in between with some sandpaper and use that. I guess I probably should grab the extension cord, because unfortunately I put the top string on, so on the string to the top on the handlebars, so it'd be kind of hard for me to, well, I guess I could take it off, but running out of daylight again. That's because I got a later start in the day. I was busy today. I don't know, should I? Maybe we'll put the top back on. That way I know where part of the top, the grind, where the wires will come out at. No, I am not putting a toggle switch on it. I had it on yesterday, twice, and like I said, the wire kept breaking off, so I said, well, forget it. Oh, forgot to tell you in this video, on the other video, this engine is February 9th, 1997. So somewhere in the 90s is when they stopped doing the starter clutches. I didn't know that. I thought it was in the 2000s. They came up with a new design and got rid of the starter clutch. So this might be the last. I'm not 100% sure when, but this is a 97. Maybe they stopped in 1990. Because I don't. This is the oldest, the only one that I can remember that I had from the 90s. Usually I get them from the 80s, like 89, 88. I never had an 88 yet. Shoot, I need to find me one. That's when I was born. So it'd be kind of cool to find one from that year. Thought that would be the same size fit in there. Oh, I like trying to put bolts in different holes to see things stick. But what I do is I change tops. So let's say the cord on, I had issues with the cord on this. And let's say I had an extra top that already had the string in it. Instead of restringing it, I would just put one that's already got a good string in it. Then that means this is going to be, that means it won't be this. I never thought of that. And I've been working on these things for years. So you might as well restring it. That way it still has the original top. Because the top for the Toro is not original. The original top is in the shed. Its holes on it are stripped. So I put a different top on it. What else? You know what? I might put the original top back on it. Now that I'm thinking about it. Keep the top on it. Because I got the motor. I got the motor that top goes to. I mean, the motor's missing a lot of parts. It's actually my spare motor at the moment. Oh, come on, ratchet. See how this. Yeah, I'm gonna have to pull the after we get it running and stuff, I'm gonna have to pull that filter and give it some more oil. Swing the lawnmower this way. Plugged in the drill. Good thing I looked down and saw that it wasn't plugged in. So we're gonna use this Sears Craftsman 3/8" drill, single speed with reverse, model number 315.10010, 1200 RPM, and it's only 2.5 amps, and at 60 hertz. Drill means a lot to me. My uncle gave it to me. I do have the key thingy to the truck. Let's see. Good place. It's right there. Well, let's do that. Let's do that one prime start thing and see how it works on this. That primer works really well, actually. And that one prime deal did maybe on a hot day. Oh, oops! Forgot to plug the oil. Plug. Maybe the spark plug should be plugged in, so it may have actually worked. Well, 2 prime. There you have it. Get the phone so you can see what I did. To turn it off, take this wire, hit where I have no paint, boom. Well, that's how you can turn it off. Until one day, well, like I said, one day it'll have the cable on it, but it may not be with this motor. Maybe not. I don't know. I have to check to see what I got back in Pennsylvania, and then there's no guard, so I have to deal with that, especially if I'm selling the Toro. Well, let's see what I got to do. What do I got to do to it next? But I guess that's it. We'll run it to clean up, run it to the shed, and we'll put more oil and filter. So thank you for watching. If you have a comment, please leave one, and subscribe, please. That can help me out. My dream to do on this channel is I want to do lawnmower revivals, kind of like this one. What it is. The reason is because I get along with these engines very well. As you can see, the Hondas, I don't. So, thank you for watching. Leave a comment if you have one. Subscribe, and maybe in the near future, once I make a little bit more money, I can get some more older lawnmowers to do revivals on. But I won't have to. I can't keep all of them. I won't have to sell them. So, thank you for watching.